we're trying to do what we can. I mean, it's expensive. And with no flood insurance, you know, you have limited access to funds, so I'm dependent on the kindness of my family and friends. The water completely, I mean, we were completely submerged, knocked out all the ceilings, and we've got coolers overturned, and it's just devastation.
What are you going to do then?
We don't have any choice. We've got to come back. I mean, after a year in business, you know, you get deep into it, and you know, the SBA is offering assistance, but that's in the form of loans. And if you've already got loans, you know, another loan, well, you know, you got to be able to pay it back. So we've got to reopen. We've got some very loyal customers, and our landlord Steve Emerson has been real supportive, and so we're gonna try to come back. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I don't know. But anyway, this used to be my kitchen.
The owner of this building hired us to take care of, not the entire building, but a couple of floors, as well as all the individual businesses inside.
What goes into a job like this?
Oh my goodness, a lot. We have a lot of different people here, from myself just doing admin, running, taking care of the people, to Scott making sure that all the equipment is lined up. We have power for the equipment, temp agencies, making sure that we have enough labor. Run, we got to go in, we got to gut everything. When floods like this happen, you can't keep anything. So it's a lot of people to get the job done.
How does this compare to other floods or other disasters that you guys have worked on?
I would say this is probably the biggest that we've been on before. St. Louis had, in '93, had floods. I'm sure Cedar Rapids did too. But at that point, we weren't as large of a cat response company as we are now. So this is probably the biggest so far.
You said you run the stand on 2nd and 2nd?
Yeah, we're the first ones to ever be issued a pushcart license in the city of Cedar Rapids.
How long have you had the license?
It'll be a year, June 21st. Today!
Oh.
Today! Today!
Happy birthday.
Yeah!